It's me, Len Dragon, Baing Dragon, na di bumubuga ng apoy, and in celebration of our 38 months as a monetized channel. Yes, this new year po ay 38 months na po tayo bilang monetized channel. So, syempre, it's time for us to shout out all our channel members, super chatters, and super stickers for this month. Syempre, may listahan na ako niyan, kaya ready. So, mega love shout out to sis JMB Black, sis May Anchua, sis M. Buen Blacks, Edsel Dutit, Catherine Castillo, Ismael Abdullah Jamin, Che Martin TV, Blue Vanilla at iba pa. Ate Carmi Gamboa, Bayot Narakista Vlog, Celestine TV Versosa, Mama G Vlogs, Marlita Perez, Kay Cañete Vlog, Len TV, Joyce Benavista Vlog, sis Eza or Kabundukan Explore, Kuya Loves L. Bimbolay, Tall Sweet Liar M, Buhay Abroad Official, Delnas Vlog, Jeffrey Makasusi, Dylan Gustilio, Nasir Antam Channel, Ma'am Chi Eugenie Lee, Tonya Sab, Kusina ni Chrissy, Jason Nagy, Jane Belpan Channel, Shalali Channel, Bruno's Ladder, Never Air, Madam Chris na Vlog, LC Tulay, Tirso F Channel, si Annie and Anything or si Just Music 44, Scorpion Girl Iloca, Jels Vlog, Miss Josa, Clyde Studio, VIPs Worldwide, Literatistang Gala Paparazzi, Pinay Love Channel, Lansky, Kin Mamax, Ellie Ace, Sheena Guira, JP Pay Gambi, Leia Dinglasan Vlog, Mayat Ilagan, Lady Lynn Seraban Vlogs, Ega Vlogs, Prince Vegeta San, Renato Pipito, Ate Liway Merano, Atina Yesha Vlogs, Ate Rubes Channel, Sis Jan and Gracia, Queenie Salaguste, Gemma's Wealth Meet Werner, Lutong Bahay, Lutong Chinarot pala, Linda Obrador, Ditjo Asibo, Marian M. Coca Vlogs, Lola Duca Channel, Andre Barbershop, Lorna Cortez, Nashlin Corner, Books TV, RNJ Sanchez, The Basuka Sisters, Board Vlogger, Jasmine Lagco, Mami Ken Russell, Louie Ligad Vlogs, Jorex Vlog, Dance 28, Joanna's Adventure, Roel Bellios Vlog, Anthony Tabliga Vlogs, Irene Delgado, Gerald Vlog, LVI Rosso, Mr. Yoso, Ate Anita Carriaga, Julian Paraso, OFW na SG, Daisy Reyes Vlog, Rachel, Miss Rachel, Catch Fry and Grill Resto, Angel Baby Vlogs, Pinay Japan JK na si Discovery Japan na ngayon, Lydia Macaro, Tito AG Kimpo, Miss Rika, Manang Biday PH, Infinity Walker, Sis Heart Ponsalan, Vulcan Christopher Remaster, Cason World 777, Julhans Diary, Ding Lelis, Jilen Vlogs, Apong Vlogs, Luca Estrada, Rajel TV, Madam Beshi, Jubil Mingowa, Daisy Mix Channel, Angel Tubings Channel, Ate Maggie Marga, Herbaliga Vlogs, Amazing Grace Vlog, Ludon Vlog, Precious Jewel Vlogs, Moody TV Nanay Jane Gondra, Taracas Lovely Sky, Mami Celine Josa, Lady Mas, My Bing, Glens TV Vlog, Ruby Sarapika, Shalala Anas Kitchen, Raeden Lon Vlog, Lawin Vlog, Amazing Mami, Yas Cornell Vlogs, Arim G, Takurda or CG Channel, Suk TV, Sep Moto PH, Bernadette Desalisa, Van G, Cici Labs, Kelsras Corner, Joy 16 Vlogs, Marjon Devilos, Magda or Cici Jolena's Vlog, M. Sai, Red's Kusina, Maria Lani, my sister, Jen Mangging, my sister, Bro Larry TV, MT Vlogs, JBL Vlogs, Jobilin, The Joe O The Adventure, Popsicles, Erepency TV, Ate J Rose, Miss Yo-Yo's Closet, Faith Tejada, YTC, Rotor Moto, Moon TV, Killer Smile Vlogs, Jen Yeke Vlogs, GMTV, Kislab Moto Vlogs, Bebs Time, France Vlog, Ganda Bicol, Palangga, Taiwan, Jobski, Justoni Llamas, Juna Gabel, Lady Wisteria, Ronel GTV, Ate Eri G, Pokwang of the 21, Mia Moremal, Dalinda Panlaban, Katubo NCTV, Leo Ang Probinsyano, Arcanhos, Giving Hope Channel, Lani Pai, Ate Cheryl Teranya, Road to Go Vlogs, Gijin 21 Cute Vlogs, Chismare Pedubags, Divine O, Dulcet Joy Channel, Ganda Bicol, Rogeline or Roger TV, Korea Official, Joey Bunso, MRSK 4860, si Denby Peña, si Cherry Carlet, si Army Bonds or MB Mix, Top Stories, David Luis Lumaging, si Smyrna Lifestyle, si Madam Simple Nanette, si Kuya J Official, at si Nor Hasim Omar. Ayan. And isa-shoutout na rin natin overall ang ating naging mga super chatter and super sticker for this month. So, mega love shoutout to si Miss Rika, si Koy Ditjo Asibo, si Koy Jilen Vlog, si J Gina mula kay si Koy Ditjo, si Simply G mula sa Japan, si Lydia Macaro, Sono Gaming, CC Labs, Amazing Grace Vlog, Paisi Phil France, Buhay Abroad, World Vlogger, CC Pinay Japan or Discovery Japan, Giving Hope Channel, and Sir Rogelin TV. So maraming salamat po for being a part of my 2023. Ayan, ginawa ko siya ngayong January 1, saktong New Year. So, thank you po sa inyong support and asahan nyo kung ano yung ginagawa ko during the 2023 ay mas lalo pa nating pag-iibayuhin this 2024. So, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, This Philaen Dragon. Ang babaeng dragon na di bumubo na po saying, I love you all from the bottom of my heart and may buong lulunan. God bless us all. Mama! Chup chup! Bye-bye!
Feels like love. Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love. Even though we're kinda nervous, together we'll be strong. I don't know for sure, all I know is didn't know what hit me when we started. I was shaking electric, trying to stay calm and collected. On that summer afternoon, you were shining like a gem in the sunlight. We were out until midnight, yeah. You said, do you wanna go out sometime? I said, girl, you read my mind. Oh, yeah. Then came the rush of butterflies, trembling and building up from deep inside. Feels like love. Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love. Even though we're kinda nervous, together we'll be strong. I don't know for sure, all I know feels like love. This feels like the sweetest breath of air. Oh yeah, it's amazing. At the same time, how you take my breath away. Oh yeah, can't explain. Ooh. You said, do you wanna go out sometime? You don't have to tell me twice. Oh yeah. Then came the rush of butterflies, trembling and building up from deep inside. Feels like love. Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love. Even though we're kinda nervous, together we'll be strong. I don't know for sure, all I know feels like this love is blossoming between us in yellow and indigo. I'll hold it gently in my heart until it's taking over my body and soul. Feels like love. Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love. Even though we're kinda nervous, together we'll be strong. I don't know for sure, all I know feels like Cupid made a shot straight into my heart.
We just got to keep it rolling. There's no time to be wasting. I'd just rather move it along. Got both feet, but in different waters. I need space more than orders. I'd just rather move it along. I know how you're feeling, 'cause sometimes I do tight. Not tonight. You're gonna hear me. Gonna dance it off goodbye. now when you're spewing facts now. I know that